So here we go. With this next video, I'm going to talk about how to use Loom and some of its basic features. At the heart of it, Loom is designed to record what is going on your screen. And it also allows you to record your face via a webcam. You know, most of us have cameras pointing back at us in our laptops. And it allows you, of course, to record audio along with it. So those three elements, screen capture, audio, and video of your face or your webcam, are the three major components of Loom. So to start things up, let's say I wanted to record a video of me browsing a website, and it's going to capture anything that goes on my screen, including audio. So I'm going to put up a picture of a website here. It's a website we all know and love. And now I'm going to click on Loom, and I have three options here. I can record with the screen that you're seeing in front of you, plus cam or camera. That's my face down here in the corner. Hello there. I could record screen only, and when I do this, you'll notice that the camera has gone away and you don't see me in the lower corner of the screen anymore. Or I can record camera only, and right now it doesn't make it obvious, but you can see that my image is down here in this circle. But when I actually record, none of the actual software on my screen will be recorded, just my image from the camera. So that's the third option. So screen plus camera, screen only, or camera only. Now, let's say we wanted to record screen plus camera, which is what I'm going to do for the rest of this little talk so you can see how it works. And you can see now that it's asking some questions. And there are really three options here to consider. The first is you can have it record your full screen. And that's what you're seeing right now in terms of this video. It's recording all four corners of my screen all the way around. And that's a good option if you're recording an application full screen, or if you're using the menus in the operating system as part of your demonstration or part of your lesson. If you don't need to use those things, then what you can do is actually choose this second option, which is window. And since I have two screens running, it's asking me which desktop I want to record. So I'm going to choose the desktop that you're seeing, and I'm going to choose the Google Chrome window that's appearing. So you can see that this is now just recording the window that I've selected. So that's the second option. So I just pressed escape to get out of that recording. And now I'm going to show you the third option. And the third option is custom size. Again, it's asking me which monitor I want to use. And now I can drag a box to make a selection. And I can adjust this box as I see fit. So here I'm getting the software I'm working with plus a little bit around the edges. This third option might be usable to you if you had interactions between your class and like the desktop of their computer. If you're teaching them how to drag files, for example, off of their desktop and into the window, this is an option for doing that. So to stop a recording in Loom, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the side here, right? And this red button, there's a pause and a trash button and also an annotation button, right? So I can draw on this screen if I want, Sal Khan style. That drawing goes away after a second, so I can say, oh, here's a search button, and 1, 2, 3, it's gone. I could also pause this recording and give myself a break and come back to it, okay? Or I can cancel this recording altogether and it will actually throw it away. You know, one of the nice things about Loom is it automatically saves your recordings. So sort of conversely, if you make a lot of mistakes in your recording, you want to start over, it's a good option to just sort of cancel it and delete it. So the last thing I'm going to do here is just click this red square over on the side here. And when I click that, it will stop the recording. And when it does, it's going to automatically bring me to my video library online. So if I click that button, what it does is it automatically launches your web browser. And oh, wow, my first Loom video, I'm so excited. And so this video is automatically uploaded to my Loom account. Now, if it's a very long video, it might take some time for the whole thing to be here, but you will still be sent to the page directly. So from here, you can play it, you can copy a link to it, you can share a link to it or make it public if you want, and you can change settings around the video so you can turn on or off all these different aspects of the use of the video. So there you go. That is Loom in a nutshell. I hope that helps you figure things out and construct good videos for your classes. And well, let me know how it goes. Thanks.